Meet Pravin, a dedicated tax professional working tirelessly from 10 a.m. to midnight. But, like many, he faces challenges that impact his work and personal life. Frustration screams out at staff and family. His social life, non-existent. Introducing ERPCA, your key to ending frustration and restoring work-life balance. ERPCA is a cloud-based software specially designed for Indian professionals. Create tasks, track status, manage deadlines, and eliminate delays effortlessly. Take full control of your team, manage client-related and non-client-related work, and watch as productivity soars. ERPCA's unique dashboard provides actionable insights, day sheet tracking, attendance registers, and more, all at your fingertips. Enjoy the convenience of ERPCA's cloud-based system, perfect for professionals on the go. Don't let chaos control your success story. Register for a 14-day demo account now and experience the ERPCA advantage. Call or WhatsApp us at 8451051084 or email support@erpca.com. Take control, thrive in your profession.